Hello friends, good day to you all over the world. I'm very happy to be here again today. I welcome you to this channel. This channel is known for the financial education from time to time. Okay, what I want to be sharing with you in today's video is about the latest withdrawal updates on Solmax I100 and I200. The latest withdrawal update on Solmax I100 and I200. Cash out now. First and foremost, I would like to tell you that Solmax is more of a long-term investment platform. So it's not a scheme. It's not a get money quickly. It's not a Ponzi scheme. So it takes time before things materialize. Okay, so you shouldn't be panicked about the frequent updates being given. So I believe that many people will say that what is the essence of updates being given when money is not being able to withdraw from it? The essence of investing is to have remuneration, is to have ROI, that is return on investment. But in the case or in a situation whereby we are just receiving updates upon updates, but there's nothing like cashing out or withdrawing, it can cause something like panic. It can be somehow discouraged in the heart of all the investors. But I'm very glad to tell you that you shouldn't panic about Solmax, because I can see that the field is green. Okay, so the latest withdrawal updates on Solmax I100 and I200 is what I will be sharing with you in today's video. So, and you just need to watch this video to the very end so that you can have the full information about it, because I've also prepared a document about the last Zoom meeting. I've prepared a document about the last Zoom meeting, which I'm going to share with you today. But before I go deep into this video, I would like to let you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of Lasojani Beanstalk. Lasojani Beanstalk is all about financial education, so I'm bringing to your doorstep financial education at its peak. Okay, but one thing is that if you are new on this channel, it is very important that you subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware of the next updates, so that you are not going to miss out on any financial education that will be dropped here on Lasojani Beanstalk. This channel is created so that I can share with you few ways whereby I personally have been making money online. Okay, and right now, if you have any question concerning this video or any of the content on Lasojani Beanstalk, just message me through my email, call me on phone, chat me up on WhatsApp, and join our Telegram channel, as I will be making frequent announcements on how to make money online. Okay, so once again, welcome to Lasojani Beanstalk, and what you are considering today is the latest withdrawal update on Solmax I100 and I200. So quickly, let me take you to my I200 dashboard. This is my I200 dashboard. So my account, loyalty account, total bonus, cash account, my team, network points, SMB credits, and the rest. As we all know that some weeks ago, or let me say like a month ago, the withdrawal in Solmax I200 has been disabled, but I'm glad to let you to know that it has been enabled now. It has been enabled now, but the only thing is that you can still withdraw with your SMG token. So they promised that there will be a new back office, which we are still anticipating. We are still waiting for the new back office, which will be in euro, not in dollars. And the withdrawal option will be on USDT or USDT or BEP20 token. So that is what we are waiting for. But you can withdraw now. That is, you can withdraw your cash account, your loyalty account. You can withdraw here. You can withdraw your earnings in SMG token. So let me try to withdraw something. I have $35 here. Let me try to see if I can withdraw 30. So let me see if I can withdraw 30 from my account. Okay, so loyalty balance. So for you to withdraw, just go to transaction. When you click on transaction, then you click on loyalty balance. After that, you click on withdrawal request. So when you click on withdrawal request, then you click on withdraw to crypto wallet. And before you do this, I hope you should know that you must have updated your account with your SMG token wallet address. That is, for you to have your SMG token wallet address, you must have downloaded it from Google Play Store or App Store, depending on the device that you are using. And after that, you must have updated it on your SMG Solmax I200 account here, so that you can have an option of smg.to whenever you want to withdraw. So I have updated mine. So I want to withdraw $30. So, and the transaction fee is, or the processing fee is $1, as you can see. Then I'm going to submit. When you click on submit, it will request for your transaction password. Okay. Alright, so your withdrawal request has been submitted successfully. It has been submitted successfully. So in few working days, maybe like 2 to 3 working days, that is the normal procedure. It should reflect in my SMG wallet address. So I can confidently tell you that withdrawal in Solmax I200 is now effective, is now enabled back. So you can see it's now in process. So it's now in process. Okay, so now let me take you to the document that I've prepared concerning the Zoom meeting that we had. Okay, so now, dear members, the number one is SMG token will be listed on Bitmart on 12th November, and number 2 is SMG will be coming to CoinMarket Cap this month end. So this is another great development coming from the SMG team. So because the more the exchange side that Solmax token, that is the SMG token, is being traded on, it will give rise to appreciation in price, it will give rise to high adoptability, high adoption of the coin, okay, and which will surely push up the price of the coin, which we are also interested in. Number 3 is the new back office will be live this weekend anytime from Friday. So according to what I tell you earlier, that we are expecting the new back office which will be in euro. It will be in euro, the payment will be in euro, the earnings will be in euro. So that is what we are expecting, and that is the update that we received, I think, last week or last 2 weeks. So they are still working underground about it to get it done. Okay, so number 4 is our username will be changed to numbers. I think our phone numbers, or maybe there will be a user ID. So that is what our username will change to. That is the meeting we had yesterday. So number 5 is that SCFO will be in Dubai by December to open Dubai office. The company has gotten a place there. So it's a great development, it's a great achievement for SMG token, for SMG group and all the investors. Okay, so because as the company is expanding, it gives rise to more investors and it gives rise to more adoption of the SMG token. All right, so number 6 is that in the new back office there will be USDT and bank withdrawal options on commission and loyalty wallets. Is like to be on automatic withdrawal if your wallet address is uploaded. So this is another development that we are anticipating for. That is, in the new back office there will be USDT and our local bank withdrawal options. So this is incredible, it is highly incredible. So whenever you are able to withdraw to USDT, I think that you can liquefy it, you can sell it to your local currency, or whenever you are able to cash out to your local currency bank, I think this is a great achievement if it has been updated. All right, number 7 is that they are waiting or almost done with the Philippines policy for the listing process this November month end. So I think the listing process is all about the I100, and it goes along with the I100, and I think it will also facilitate the adoption of the SMG token and also the listing on the London Stock Exchange. So we are also waiting for this. So let's just keep our hope alive. Let's keep our hope alive. We shouldn't allow any form of panic. We shouldn't be discouraged, that because I believe many have invested in Solmax for the past 4 years, and whereby they are till now they have been receiving different updates, different messages. But I just want to tell you that all will be well. Okay, more updates coming soon. Watch out for more in the new back office. Congratulations to us all. So that is all about the meeting that we had yesterday in the Zoom meeting. So I want to tell you that you can now withdraw in Solmax, And if you are still doubting Solmax, I will be dropping the link in the description box of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, it's very, very important, and click on the notification bell. Share with your friends and family. Okay, till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all. Bye for now.